You are going to love the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, auto express down window. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.